Good morning and welcome back. Today we're going to do another episode of some moto vlogging. And what we're going to do today is meet up with a buddy of mine who has a BMW S1000RR. We are going to ride up to Ragged Point, which is out off the Highway 1, which is a truly iconic ride. It pretty much skirts the ocean and all the beaches for most of California. It is absolutely beautiful place to ride. Many will seek out to ride this one road, but there's a couple places on the road that I'm interested. One of them is called Salmon Falls, and it's a little waterfall that's just off the road. And then another one besides Ragged Point itself would be, I believe Jennifer Pfeiffer is what it's called, but it's basically a small chunk of beach on the ocean that has a massive waterfall going to the beach right prior to going into the ocean. So it's absolutely amazing. I have all the nerd camera gear on my back right now. We're gonna have a good time getting out there, and hopefully you guys have fun on this beautiful little ride we're about to have. Absolutely beautiful out here. Sorry if you guys probably missed a lot of the ocean because I think the camera shut off. Freaking GoPros, man. You missed all the dope ocean, I swear to God. It's alright though, we're gonna find some more. Yeah, there she is. There she is. Now we got Hearst Castle out here. Highway 46, Highway 41. We got Old Creek Road. So many fun adventures to be had out here. There it is. So this one's Vista Point. That's pretty cool. I want the Julia Pfeiffer, baby. I want the waterfall. That's what we're aiming for today. I mean, you can't beat Ragged Point too. That's just a beautiful place to go. For some chit chat on the way there. I don't know if you guys are interested in MotoAmerica. It would be obviously MotoGP, but here in America, and it's called MotoAmerica. It's an awesome little series. Right now it's on sale for $89 if you buy it before the season starts, and then it's $109 for the season if you wait till the season starts. But I've always rooted for that Josh Herrin guy. Dude's freaking awesome. We got a YouTube channel as well. It's fun watching those two. I just spent all of Saturday watching probably like 8 hours trying to catch up because I missed all the 2020 season and the 2021 season. So it's been interesting to watch. Like I said, I root for Josh Herrin. Watching him go from the, what was it, Yoshimura Suzuki over to the Scheibe BMW, and then now he's, at least what I'm watching now, he is on the Yamaha team. Man, is it fun to watch that dude. Freaking winning or not, he's just a good freaking rider and a funny dude. But I'm getting all caught up on it. I'm definitely gonna hit Laguna Seca again this year. I had so much fun a few years ago when I watched, when I went to it. This time I'll have camera gear and all kinds of fun stuff to mess with. I'll actually be able to share the experience with you guys. I was there for like a week in the travel trailer and just mobbed that whole place and rode around on bikes, got to ride. If you watched my previous motovlog, I told you about all the bikes I got to ride while I was there. It was so much fun. I can't wait to do that again. There we go. We're coming into Ragged Point now. Pretty neat little hangout area. Pretty damn cool, guys. It's a neat little area, good lunch. Apparently the roads get cooler, they get better after Ragged Point and right before Ragged Point. So it turns out that Jennifer Pfeiffer is still like another 25 miles up the road, so it's a little too far, guys. We're gonna try and hit the Salmon Falls one. It's about 8 miles south on our way back, so maybe that one will be cool. And I'll come back out here another time knowing where this damn place is at instead of just fumbling around. Not that we didn't have fun hanging out at Ragged Point. Definitely still worth the trip. A great little friggin' Sunday, man. There we go. That's it. There be the waterfall. Well, I wanted a waterfall. I succeeded. Okay guys, sorry, that was it. That was part of Salmon Creek. It's actually about 1.5 miles back and you can get to a little bit bigger. We weren't gonna hump in all this motorcycle gear back to the real portion of Salmon Creek, but that was still pretty neat. Got a few shots there of a little tiny waterfall. Trying to learn how to blow out some, just using them higher shutter speeds to just melt that water down. Actually looks kind of cool, so it was fun. We're definitely coming back out here again. Next time we're gonna have a little bit better plan. Instead of just thinking we're gonna ride out here and find what we were looking for, we'll actually plan it out and hit up that Jennifer or Pfeiffer thing that looks amazing. The little gas station I had stopped at earlier actually had some postcards of it, so it's basically up by Big Sur. Big Sur's amazing, so that'll be another run for you guys. Do another vlog on that one, get some good drone footage of course, and another fun ride up this wonderful California one on the Central Coast. So thanks again for watching guys, I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy the vlogs. I know I'm having fun. Anytime I'm on the bike I'm having fun. So get out, ride your bike, dirt bike, mountain bike, whatever. Get on two wheels and have some fun. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.